In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Metapixel and API for GoHighLevel funnels. By the end, you'll have both the browser pixel and the server-side conversions API working together for more accurate tracking and better ad optimization. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Before you continue, make sure you've already created a Metapixel and have your Pixel ID handy. If you haven't yet, open Meta Events Manager, create a data source, and note the Pixel ID. It's a string of numbers you'll need shortly. Inside GoHighLevel, head to Sites, then open your sales funnels and select the funnel you want to track. Open the funnel's settings. A quick overview before we paste anything. The Metapixel is a small piece of code that runs in the browser to track actions like page views and leads. The Conversions API, or CAPI, sends similar events from your server. When you use both together, you recover data lost to ad blockers or privacy restrictions and give Meta cleaner signals to optimize your ads. In Settings, find the Head Tracking Code area. This is where you'll paste the base pixel code. To get it, go back to Meta Events Manager, choose your pixel, select the Install option for manual setup, and copy the full base code. Paste that into the Head Tracking Code box in GoHighLevel. Now, find the part that says Your Pixel ID and replace it with your actual Pixel ID. Keep the quotes and punctuation exactly the same. Don't add multiple base pixels here, use one per funnel unless you have a very specific reason. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, let's connect your Facebook account to GoHighLevel so events and leads can sync properly. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Find Facebook and click Connect or Reconnect. This grants GoHighLevel the permissions it needs to send conversion events, sync leads from forms, and manage messaging and ads connections for the pages you choose. Follow the Facebook prompts, then select the pages you want to connect to this GoHighLevel location. Choose only the pages relevant to this funnel to keep your data organized. Click Connect and continue. Back in Integrations, open Configure Field Mapping. Map incoming Facebook fields, like name, email, and phone, to the correct GoHighLevel fields so leads land in your CRM cleanly. Click Save. Finally, return to Sites, open your funnel settings, and enable the Facebook Conversions API or server-side tracking toggle. This pairs with the browser pixel and helps with deduplication and match rates automatically. After publishing, use Meta's test events or the Pixel helper to confirm your page view and lead events are firing. That's it. Subscribe for more.